there. Are you ready to start using AI to help you generate the most highly converting copy? Well, we're diving into the exact steps on how to do that today with Gemini. My name is Monica Michelle, the solutionist marketer, and I assist businesses that have tiny teams that want to make a big impact. On this channel, we are walking you through the how-to steps of taking your business to the next level and giving you the steps and the tools on exactly how to do that. So make sure you stay plugged in. Are you ready?
All right. If you're needing some help getting your content situated, set up, figured out, and you don't want to use AI, then make sure you swing by thesolutionistm.com so I can help you out. Now, with Google, we have our own AI system. It used to be called bard.google.com. As you can see, Bard is now Google. Bard is now Gemini. So if you have a Google account, then you'll be able to sign into Gemini with no problem. And of course, they have an app as well. So we're creating content. Since we're creating this content, what most people do is just put in, hey, create me a social media post about this. But what we want to do is make sure we're positioning it and preparing it and getting it ready to give us the best content. Here is the prompt that you're going to want to use. Get your pens and paper out and let's begin. You're going to say you are a social media marketing expert. You've dedicated the last 10 years of your career to mastering Instagram, copywriting. Yes, I spelled Instagram wrong. Let's fix that. Customer psychology. All right, fingers, work with me now. And organic digital marketing. Next, we want to tell it. Let's fix these words. Next, what we're going to do is give it some context. We're going to tell it now. Let's jump into the context of who I am and what I need between the angle brackets. Now on ChatGPT, what most people love to use, you get a lot of unleash and unlock. You're not going to really see that with this. Gemini is a lot better when it comes to generating content and the details and all that good stuff. So we're going to say, I am a marketing strategist because that's who I am. I am a marketing strategist because that's who I am. And my target audience is small business owners looking to ramp up their social media and need some help with their marketing over the summer. Now, what makes me different from my competitors? I ensure that the marketing strategies being offered are custom to my client and their strengths, not generic or any random business in their industry. Righty? Boom. Next, we're going to put in, please use this on, please, come on, fingers. Please create this content for Instagram to convert people into signing up, being nurtured and engaged so they will sign up for my summer program that will help them with accountability for their accountability and keeping their marketing on track over the break. Boom. Next, what social proof do I have and expertise do I offer? With 20 plus years of marketing experience, I have supported hundreds of organizations, well, let's say tiny teams, get their marketing plans in order and achieve their goals of conversions and by increasing their market share and setting up systems to make it happen on autopilot. Now we're going to go and make sure we are all together. So we're going to do a bit of a recap. What I am expecting from you, a social media post for Instagram. Actually, I'm going to say 5 social media posts. I always love to ask for more than what I actually need. This way I can read through them and say, oh, I like this one better and I'll use that one. 5 social media posts for Instagram, complete with the idea for the video or post, caption write out. So what needs to be in the caption and the call to action for connections, engagements, and conversions. All right, so the best part of this is I told it who I am. I told it who it is because it has all this expertise, it has all this knowledge, and I told it what I want and who I want it for. So it's saying, all right, here's a video idea, the concepts, a short video showing you working with the client on a marketing plan, brainstorming ideas, keep it light and positive with upbeat music. And then it gives me the caption, is summer slumping your marketing strategy? Don't let those warm months turn into lost opportunities. I help small businesses like yours craft custom marketing plans that get results and keep you on track. Want to learn more about my summer program? Drop emoji below. If you're ready to ditch the marketing overwhelm this summer, I'll send you a message with the details about my program and the summer program discount. So it's telling me that's a video. Next, it gives me a carousel post. Carousel post talking about client testimonials, success stories, brief highlights of the program. Slide 1 is giving me the breakdown on what should be on each of the slides. Then it goes and it says, don't just take my word for it. My summer marketing program has helped hundreds of small businesses achieve results. And it gave me the caption and it's giving me the call to action as well. So it's giving me these. I can use all of them, or I can just use the 1 or 2 that I desire to use, and that's absolutely fine. If you notice in these, you do not see the word unleash, unlock, reveal. You don't see all of those normal Chat GPT things that show up. I can add to this. I don't have to leave it just as this. I can give it a little bit more with it, or I can take it away. If I want Gemini to add more details to it to make it longer, I can give it those additional information and allow it to stretch it out. So that is it for this episode in covering how to let Google use their AI system to write your captions and your copy and get you ready. And make sure you stay tuned for the next video because we're going to be writing some emails.